Hello and welcome to Tech Edify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a post on Facebook. If you're a content creator or you are someone who always posts on Facebook, but you don't want to be doing posts every day, you can schedule all your posts and program your monthly post schedules in Facebook. Now, how do you schedule a post in Facebook? Now, you can only do that using the Meta Business Suite. And now, if you're already on your page, I'm not talking about your personal Facebook account, but I'm talking about a business page. So if you're a content creator and you have a business page that you want to schedule a post, now this is how you go about it. Now, from where you can create a post, that is from your main timeline, you just tap on it. You can just go to the Meta Business Suite. Now, so when you come here, you will see a calendar. Now, this is the month of July. So if in case I've scheduled any post, you will be seeing it right from here. So you can, this is a week, you can change it to a month and then look at the activities that you have. So in case you have scheduled some posts, you might be seeing it over here. So here, this is what we're going to do. So this is the month of July. So let me say maybe on the 24th, I want to schedule a post. 25th too, I can do that. So this is what you do. So 24th, I want to schedule a post. I'll just tap on this plus here. Now, when you tap on the plus, you have options to choose whether you want to schedule a post or a story or to create a reel. So here, we're going to just choose schedule post. So I'll just select it. All right, so when you click on it, now here it comes with the dates that we chose. And now you can also set the time how you want your post to be scheduled. So this is actually the time. So if you are okay with this, you can just click on save. But if you are not okay, you can change it from the calendar here and also change your timing also as well. So here, how do you create a post? Now, when you come here, it shows post to. That means the page that you want to create a post to or schedule a post to. Now, here you can add the media that you want. So if you want to add a video or you want to add a picture or to use a template, you can choose from here. So let me just pick one picture. So let me just upload it from my computer. So I'm going to use this as a sample. So I'll just select it. Now automatically to upload the media file. Now when you are done, you can just come straight to the post details. So over here you can write whatever you want, content that you want to add to it. Now as I begin to type, you might be seeing it over here. So the post that I'll create or the content that I'll create will show up over this side. Now after you are done with everything, now you can just go down here. So we have the privacy settings, so it's going to be publish it public, that is anyone on Facebook can see it. Or if you want to restrict it also, you can choose this. So here we can just click on the schedule and automatically this particular post is going to be on schedule based on the day that we've set for it. So after you are done, it says maybe you want to schedule another one. Fine. If you want to schedule another one, click on this or maybe later. So at the end of the day, it will save your post and you can even see it from the calendar here. Yes. So if you're a content creator, you can plan on your post. You don't need to be piling up so many things upon yourself. You can just schedule any post that you want. So automatically when this time hit, that is tomorrow by 24th of July, 10 o'clock a.m., this post will automatically run. One way or the other, if you want to manage what you have scheduled, you can just click on it. Now when you click on it, you use this three dots here. So in case you want to edit it, you can edit. You want to duplicate, you want to reschedule it or move it to draft, that is to save it to draft, not to post it. And this is to delete. So here, if I want to delete, I can delete it. That is it. So as you are done with your settings, you can just publish it and automatically that post that we have scheduled, automatically when it gets to the date, it will what? Publish by itself. So you can just use this Meta Business Suite to manage all your post schedules. Feel free and go ahead and let me hear from you in the comment section. If you are facing any challenges, please drop your comment and don't forget to like this video and also to share this video to help other content creators. See you in my next video.